Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Welcome back to a new one. So today is on a Saturday and I want to make breakfast for my family, and then later I am going to head out. So this vlog, it will be about the weekend because I've started the vlog on a weekend. Today is on a Saturday. So this is my weekend routine. This is what I always do on weekends. So I'm going to start my vlog here, and then yeah, I'm just opening my vlog here and then we continue. So later I'll head out to go to the market. I don't know if I will tag you along, but if I don't, I will see you when I'm back home. So enjoy the vlog. If you are new here, karibu sana, welcome on board. If you are my returnee, if you are always here, thank you so much. I do appreciate. And yeah, enjoy the video. Hey guys, how are you doing? So today is on a Saturday and Saturdays are market days here. So I went to the market, got few things. That was what I want to show you. And today it really rained when we were in the market. Yes, we are on the rainy season here in Nanyuki. I don't know if other places it's raining, but here particularly in Nanyuki we have rains. So let me show you what I got. Just few things from the green grocery market. Yes, and I also got few things here and there from the thrift market. So let me show you quickly what I got from the market. And I love markets. I love markets. If you have been here for long, you know I love markets. Yes, because I always get very fresh green groceries. So let me show you what I got. I got tomatoes, 2 kgs, each 50. So this is 100. I got onions. This is 1.5 kg, and 1 kg was 80 bob. And then I also got these. They're called what? Kenyeji. I also got Kenyeji carrots. Got rosemary 40. I got green bell peppers, 1 beetroot. This was 30 bob, and this each was 10. Each was 10 bob. I got carrots, a kg at 50 bob. That's why I love markets. I got green peas at 120. This is 1 kg. I got broccoli. Yes, this one. And it's not all that fresh. I don't know why they are not a lot in the market. So this is what I got. And I got this at 100 shillings. 100 bob for that. It's quite big, but it's not as fresh as the other ones that I always get. I got some spring onions. I love these onions because of this. So I got this one at 25. All these, yes, all these at 25. I got green bananas for cooking. This is Kiganda, 60 bob. Coriander leaves. These are 2. So I got 10 each, 10 bob each. Sweet potatoes, 100 for this. Arrowroots, 100 for this. Then I have some potatoes. Then for fruits, I got apples at 40 bob each. I got spinach at 20 bob. This 20 bob. I don't know where I keep them. Got some like bananas. I don't know why they are breaking. So that is what I got from the green grocery market. Let me show you a few things that I got for my son from the thrift market, and then I think we'll make dinner together. Yep. For the thrift market, I got a few things for my son. You know, now they are at home. We need more clothes. We needed to add few. So the first item I got is this sweater. It's a hoodie, a very cute one. That was the first one that I got. The second one, I love this. This is my favorite. Got this short. This has to be my favorite. So that is the second item I got for him. And also another hoodie. I took this because of this name, most definitely. So that is the other item. And all of them, they have a very, very cute and warm texture from inside. And then I got him shoes. Sorry, I'm doing this from the kitchen, but I had to because these are the things that I got from the market today. So I got him that sneaker, a very cute one. And last, I got some pegs. I really needed to add some more pegs, so I got these ones from the thrift market. Those who have been here for long, they know that I love one colored pegs. So that is it, guys. Let me kind of deal with this mess. Clean them. So now let's prep dinner, for my family. And tonight I want to make potato wedges, which are baked. I want to try that tonight. And then I want to make beef plus now some vegetables, which one of them being broccoli. We love broccoli in this home. We love broccoli in this house. So I want to try that tonight. So let's prep together and also make dinner together. And if you feel like my voice is a bit broken or deep, apologies. I have like a sore throat, or I think I'm catching a flu. I'm fighting against it. I'm praying that I don't catch cold. So I just hope I'm audible. Yes, I just hope I'm audible enough for you guys.
Got you a story to tell, said to stop you if I'd already heard it. I knew a couple words in let you go, 'cause
Everybody say hi. Hi. Jaden. Jaden, hi. Say hi. We are from church.
theories in practice, and I won't fact check you away. You think we're all his creation, and the only thing I put my faith in. You bought me a figurine, baby. I laughed at the weird souvenir. You watched me pack in your baggage. Guess I'm just a tourist here.
Iko na difference.
Is it pathetic or am I pathetic for knowing it turned for the worse? It's a garden of Eden. We're finally eating the truth. What a punishment.
Namjua mnapeana feedback. How is it? It's yummy. Really? And yours? It tastes like what? Yeah. Na yako the taste. And the smell?
The only thing I put my faith in. Got you a story to tell, said to stop you if I already heard it. I knew a couple words in let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it. The only thing I put my faith in. Got you a story to tell, said to stop you if I already heard it. I knew a couple words in let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it.
Guys, that's how my weekends looked like. The only thing that I didn't include is road trip, which I don't do every other weekend. So that is basically my weekend routine. Guys, I would love to know, how do you ensure that you get quality time together as a family? Please share with us. We might as well learn a new thing. Oh yeah, let's interact in the comment section and learn something new. So I will end this vlog here, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.